Hey guys, what's up? It's me Muteeb, and today we are going to take a look on Samsung A34 and explore the reason why Samsung A34 is still a better option than its competitor. Let's start with the design side. The Samsung A34 comes with a 6.6 inches Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display with a resolution of 1080p. The phone has a sleek design with a plastic frame and a plastic back. The phone is available in 4 colors as you can see on the screen. Moving to the camera side, the Samsung A34 comes with a triple camera setup at the back. The primary sensor is 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro camera. The front camera is 13 megapixel, which is great for video calls and selfies. Under the hood, the Samsung A34 is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset. The phone has 6 and 8 gigs of RAM depending upon the variant you choose. The phone runs on Samsung One UI 5.1 based on Android 13. Which is a smoother and user-friendly interface. The phone also comes with a 5000 mAh battery which supports 25-watt wide charging. Overall, Samsung A34 is a good mid-range smartphone that offers a good value for its price, a good display, a decent processor and a versatile camera setup. If you are looking for a new phone in a mid-range smartphone, the Samsung A34 is worth considering. And that's it for the video. I hope you like it. If you do a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.